Hey y'all, hey my crunch timers. I What's up, my crunch timers? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are having Indian food, and today I have.
No, we gonna start this shit over.
Hell no.
No.
Fit Instagram. Come on. Today I have.
Stop. Look.
We're doing some Indian food, y'all. Today I got Fit the Grab on the channel. She shy, y'all.
I ain't doing no more videos with you. You set me up.
Sister, tell her what we got.
Oh.
What we got, sister?
Girl. You know better than this. We got some garlic naan bread, some samosa, vegetable samosa, some tikka masala with some rice, and some popsicle, whatever the hell this is.
Yes.
Ooh.
So we're going to say our grace and we're going to dig in.
I'm going to see mine.
Go ahead, bless the food. Go ahead, bless the food. Amen, y'all. Amen. Oh, okay.
Ooh, let me taste this.
Yeah, so we is doing like a little taste test review. This is I don't know if I tried the tikka masala. What is it? Oh, this is the butter tikka masala.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so let me stir this up.
You gonna use your hands. Stick within the culture.
So how everybody doing today? Happy Friday. Stop, girl.
You will never know what fucking day it is.
I know, and I used to be like, Yummy Bites be faking, but when you get on that goddamn camera, you do not know. And that's the truth.
Don't like this.
I just want to stir it up some. Hey. So how everybody doing
What's
today?
This? Open this.
This is some sauce that gives to try. Y'all see that?
These are the popsicle sticks. Chicken.
And this is some green sauce.
I ain't like it.
Ooh, that stuff hot. That tastes good.
These are alright.
They alright.
Oh man,
it's hot. Let's try this, y'all.
the girl mom calling me.
Y'all go ahead and get a crunch time. Ooh, y'all see that sting?
You dried out here, man. I can't even squeeze nothing on me.
This garlic bread is so good. I mean, it's garlic naan.
Wow, look at this.
This is so good, y'all. You like it?
Not really.
You don't?
Let me get my honest opinion. Nope.
Which one? That one? Or this one?
The tikka masala and yeah.
I like that. It's too hot though. Yeah. What about the chicken? I ain't tried that yet.
The chicken tastes alright.
It is. It's a real hot. Let me get some of these onions.
Love his onions. I can't just bite into no drumstick.
I know, right?
Gotta make sure I ain't eat no veins. Okay, what we do with this?
Well,
this thing hot. Look at that. Samosa. What is this green sauce?
how do it taste? I think it's supposed to cool down your mouth or something.
Tastes like a guacamole sauce.
It do. Oh, I gotta try that then.
Yeah, this tastes pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Girl. And this was not no cheap meal.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Mmm.
What? It's good.
That was sweet.
Oh, it is. I ain't gonna touch that then. I don't like the sweet.
No.
You don't like it?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, so I ain't gonna touch it.
The green one tastes good.
Alright. I don't even want to try it.
I'm gonna try this bread back out. Why is it so hard?
Mm-hmm.
Mom gonna get me and answer the phone. See, when the garlic naan and just the chicken is good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a big rice eater. That's why I can't
Yeah.
get me.
Yeah, rice my weakness.
No.
I love rice, especially fried rice. Sometimes I crave the white rice.
Oh yeah. Like eating naan bread with just the meat.
Mm-hmm.
So you can have the rice.
I got it.
Man, this is good. Whew. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Something hot.
What is this chicken masala? This is butter something.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken masala.
Oh.
Yeah, something is hot.
It's this chicken thing. Let's see how this tastes. Look at the lot of pot chicken, y'all. Sometimes I feel like I be eating too fast. I'm hungry as hell. Yeah.
Ooh.
Ah.
What is
That's
this?
hot. I don't know what that is.
I want you to open it up.
Oh, let me see.
Ooh. Whatever is cold.
I already know I ain't gonna like it. I don't like shit cold. I said my stuff gotta be hot.
What you dipping there?
I ain't dipping nothing. Excuse me. I'll tell you one thing, this damn bread, the best thing that ever happened. No, I don't even do garlic naan. Let's take a bite. Y'all go ahead and crunch
They
off
ain't
them.
picked the original one. I'll take the regular one. I'm gonna taste.
I'm mad they ain't put the aluminum foil on the bottom
See what this shit is.
like it was in the picture.
That's hot.
That's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Like burn your mouth hot.
Yeah.
But it's cold.
Yeah. It's good though.
You ain't pick the spice out.
Huh? I said, I think I put medium. Ooh, that's hot, but it's good.
I can tell.
I'm getting too old for this heat.
I'm telling about it.
Ooh. Child. That got some kick to it. Let's try it.
Cause it cool down.
You go try it. You go try everything we bought. Miss Crunch. You supposed to try everything to be paid for. This was expensive.
Yeah, the drumsticks fucking it up. I might eat some rice and some garlic naan to cover the taste.
That's why I only ate one. That's two right there. Don't get them to the kids.
That ain't my cup of tea, y'all. It look good and all, but it ain't my cup of tea with the drumsticks.
No, you want to brag. It
looked good as hell.
Let's get the popsicle sticks.
Yeah. Whew. And it's hot as fuck.
I wonder what did they do? Did they scrape the skin and stuff off this part?
Mm-hmm.
They make it into a popsicle. And on the app, it showed aluminum foil.
I don't know. I know what I said. I don't know, but that little bit of shit got me feeling sick.
Oh my goodness!
Somebody go cut the goddamn fan on. That shit got me higher than a firecracker. I wish I was home because my kids be on point, y'all. I need some goddamn. Oh, stay away.
You meant to go, Jaja.
Jaja, some goddamn bad.
You had.
That goddamn joystick got me high like me.
Oh my goodness.
Who? I need some goddamn ass.
Oh my goodness, girl.
See, that's why it pays to be at somebody's house. It best to be at home, y'all. Because I would already have my fan running. Y'all already know how it's crunch time day. Because somebody come give me some apple, please. This Indian sauce is hot as a motherfucker.
Oh, let me call one of my kids. Jaja.
Please. Before I pass out on YouTube. Oh my God.
Oh, girl, I can't eat. You retarded. Turn the fan on first.
Yeah.
Look at
Sorry, y'all. I ain't
needs
cutting
the box
that
fan
down. Yeah,
on.
cut the box fan on.
Oh, she turned the ceiling fan on.
Damn, the ceiling fan. I need some straight up air.
This bitch done got high.
And I don't have but a little piece. Thank you, baby. Ooh,
Now I'm
Lord.
cold.
Shit, well, freeze got that. I gotta cool the fuck down. With my blood pressure pills. This shit took me from 0 to 100 quick.
That was you get with your idea to order this.
Hey, you supposed to have put American mile. Not no goddamn Indian. Ooh,
Ooh, you pitiful. Huh?
Ooh, that damn lollipop part ain't no joke. Let me try the samosa. Excuse me, y'all.
You pitiful. I'm getting cold.
That's why I don't like skinny people, y'all. Skinny people in the way. Let's see how this goes.
The AC was already on.
For real. I don't feel that shit. The air stopped suddenly as soon as I bit that motherfucker. Ooh.
Oh man, you retarded. That I didn't put no makeup on, be smeared everywhere. Messing with you.
Oh, you like, what the fuck is that? What the hell? Oh, no goddamn peppermint. Look. I ain't gonna upload this video. What the fuck is that?
What?
That green shit.
You need to cut it out, girl. You
I don't know what the fuck that tastes like.
My mouth. Oh, what?
I don't know what the fuck. What you see some veggies in here?
What is this?
That green shit, that shit don't taste right up here.
It tastes like guacamole. You know guacamole got cilantro in it.
Well, I must forget how guacamole tastes then. It don't turn no guacamole to me.
You
It tastes like a peppermint or something. I don't know what the fuck it tastes
No,
like.
I taste cilantro.
Cilantro.
Mm-hmm.
I put cilantro on. I be using cilantro. I don't taste that.
I taste. Yeah, I taste cilantro. Yeah, I taste cilantro. You must be tasting bad stuff. That's what you probably taste.
Let me see.
You probably taste something they put in it.
Yeah.
Ain't this what they put in it?
I don't know what the fuck it is, but it ain't right. I know one thing. I am full, y'all.
Girl, you ain't really eat nothing.
Oh, I ate that bread. I don't be doing bread.
I heard you about you.
What?
I said I got there to talk about you.
Yes.
See, we should have went with fucking Chinese people. I would have fucked them chickens every night. I would have been crushing them fat fuckers. You want to do this?
Oh no, you want to do this? You talking about something? The chicken masala tastes good.
Tikka.
Tikka masala tastes good. I love it. I love the garlic naan. I'm not a big fan of the lollipop chicken. I'm definitely not a fan of this. I'm definitely not a fan of that. I don't know what it is. Let me try the bread. I tasted some peppermint. It's definitely that.
It tastes good to me.
It tastes like a pickle.
It tastes good to me. Why you try it?
Cause it's cold. You said it's hot.
That one's warm.
I don't want that shit. I'm gonna eat this.
So basically, Indian food is not for us. And it's Indian shit.
Yeah, some of it is. I like this.
I don't like it.
You don't like it. See, you like the what's that? She like the masosa.
The tea hurt.
I don't like the masosa. She like the masosa.
Samosas.
Samosa. I like this right here. You like that chicken?
I like the tikka masala, but I don't in the garlic naan. But I don't like the samosa's okay, but I can't stand the popsicle thing.
Yeah, I don't like the popsicle thing either. It got a whole different flavor. It's not my cup of tea. But I will eat this rice and this samosa.
Tikka masala.
I'm bad.
Girl, I'm getting my drink on. Eat this food. He said eat the food. That was nasty. He said eat the chunks of meat that was in here. Hurt my leg. Look at this. I'm gonna get this to the kids. Dog one. Great.
Oh Lord, I better put it.
She rolling on toilet paper, y'all.
Oh, it's hot.
What's that?
This food. But anyway, you guys, we're supposed to talk about Jada Pinkett Will Smith, but it is what it is. It'll be the next video for y'all. You heard me. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and sign out. It's Fit in the Groove. Sign out.
What?
Say what you want to say. Sign out for us.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell to be notified when she upload a video. And tell everybody. Help her reach them 1,000K. I mean, whatever she's trying to get to. Help my sister out, y'all. Peace.
Peace, love, and hair grease.